DEFE, founded in 2004 and based in Jinan, Shandong, is a leading provider of flood control solutions. Our 6,000 standardized factory is equipped with advanced precision equipment, supported by over 30 professional engineers and a skilled team. We specialize in high-performance flood barriers, crafted from 6063 T5 aluminum and 304 stainless steel. These barriers feature rapid modular installation, military-grade sealing, and long durability, ideal for residential area, warehouse, metro stations, commercial districts, underground car parks, and critical infrastructure. Our products have been exported to 130-plus countries, including the US, UK, Ireland, and Southeast Asia, safeguarding properties worldwide. With strict quality control, competitive pricing, professional technical support, smooth communication, and tailored OEM and R&M. These solutions to fully meet diverse customer needs for flood protection.
Manufacturing high-quality products that's licensed with great manufacturing. Welcome to DEFE.